Today we're checking out these Raxiom Axial series LED side mirror turn signal lights with smoked lenses for the 2015 and newer F-150 with the factory towing mirrors. If you want a quick lighting upgrade that makes your truck look more modern and helps your signal stand out better, this is a super easy mod with a big payoff, so it's definitely worth considering. These are mirror-mounted LED turn signal lights, and the biggest reason that you would choose something like this is the combination of visibility and the style. The super bright LED illumination is easier to notice than a dull factory signal, which helps other drivers catch your turn intention sooner in traffic, rain, or low light. At the same time, the smoked lens gives the mirrors a darker and more aggressive appearance when the lights are off. So the truck looks cleaner and more custom without doing anything too over the top. And they're also gonna match other black accents on the truck if you've done any other things or going for a blacked out build. They're sold as a pair for the driver and passenger side, which is great because you get a complete matched upgrade all in one shot, and it just cleans up those mirrors a whole bunch. Another big win is going to be the plug and play install, so you're not splicing wires or turning a simple mirror light swap into a headache of a wiring project. If you've got factory towing mirrors and you want a small upgrade that makes a big difference and makes the truck look sharper every time you're walking up to it, then these are a nice option. When it comes to the construction on these, you are getting smoked polycarbonate lenses with durable black plastic housings and super bright LED internals. The housings are weather sealed to help keep dirt and moisture away from the electronics, which is exactly what you want for a light that lives outside on the mirrors year round. And these smoked polycarbonate lenses are gonna be a nice high quality touch because they're not gonna fade or get hazy like those stock lights tend to do. Now, as far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around the $80 price range. That's gonna be a great value for a pair of LED mirror turn signal lights because you're getting a noticeable style upgrade with the smoked lenses and better signal visibility for not a ton of money. Now, when it comes to this install, it's getting just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 1 hour of your time or even faster if everything goes smooth. Now let's see exactly how this install process goes with a quick video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Tools I will use for today's project is a flat screwdriver, a magnet, utility knife, ratchet, 1/4-inch ratchet with extension and 7mm socket, 5/16 magnetic nut driver, and a plastic pry tool. First step in our install is to adjust the top mirror all the way in towards the cab and the bottom mirror down facing the ground to make it possible to access the mounting tabs with the screwdriver on the back side of the mirror. Pry out on the tab while firmly pulling away from the body with the requires a little bit of force. With the mirror out, we unplug the defrost connections and the bliss if so equipped. There's a little button on the top to push, and then you have to pry these tabs apart. It unplugs, take it out of its, take the wire out of the clips, set the mirror aside. For the bottom mirror, we're just going to go in from the top, pry outward. Same thing, unplug the defrost connections, set that mirror aside. With the mirrors out, pry the tab away and press with the screwdriver to get your cap started off. Hold it out with my hand so I can get all 3 loose. And it just pulls straight out the back. Take a 7mm socket and ratchet and remove all 5 mounting screws. I'm going to take a magnet and pull the screws out. Okay, with all the screws out, we'll go around the back side of the mirror. Press plastic pry tool. Just pull outward, separate the 2 halves. The light is loose in the assembly. Just a little gray clip. Pull the clip up Unplug the light from the harness. Take our new light. These holes slide over the top of the mounting where the screws screw into the front. Now, Ford made the wire pretty short. I had to take a scissors and cut this so that the plug would stay plugged in. Make sure it's all the way in. This should click when it goes down. Slide our light assembly back on. Put it back up into place. Make sure that none of the wiring harnesses go into a hole where the screws mount. There's actually a slot here that this harness should be in. Push it back into place. Making sure that the bottom tabs line up and go inside. Just keep working it around until everything is clicked back. Go back around the front side of the mirror. I'm going to take a 5/16 magnetic nut driver and start my 5 screws. Take our ratchet, snug them up. Before we put the mirrors back on, I'm just going to check and make sure that we're still plugged in, and we are. Take the cap, push it straight back into place, make sure it clicks all the way around. Take our lower mirror, plug the defrosters back in, press firmly until you hear it engage. Our top mirror, we plug in our bliss connector, make sure the little button's facing out. You have to push it past these tabs. Might be easier to slide it up the mirror. Wire back in the clips. Plug a defroster back in. And firmly press the mirror back onto the mount until all the clips are engaged. And that's it. Repeat for the other mirror.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Raxiom Axial Series LED side mirror turn signal lights with smoked lenses for the 2015 and newer F-150s with factory towing mirrors. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at American Trucks.